Hello, this is Patrick with Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. Another good day for the home team. I wanted to go over just a couple of positions intraday here, mainly on oil and Abbvie. So let's get into it. First of all, just big picture S&P 500 again. As prices have hit higher highs since 2018, we've got lower highs on our relative strength index, suggesting a huge negative divergence, larger than the 2000, which was the prior largest that I'm aware of, and since I've been in the markets. But anyway, so in the back of I'm not making a bearish call on the S&P 500 here. It's just context. It's letting you know that's in the back of my mind. It should be in the back of your mind also. Well, let's look at crude. So this is crude. It doesn't post. This is through the end of yesterday because it's futures contracts. It doesn't post until end of day. So you know, crude is up today. It if we get another, if prices hold where they're at, or go up a little bit tomorrow, we'll have a bullish hammer right here for the week, which would be really cool. But there's a lot of time between now and then. So right now we're at 78.10. Kind of need to get above 80 to kind of get out of these moving average this cluster of moving averages, our downward resistance line of our big symmetrical triangle. So let's just zone in here because I talked yesterday about first of all, let's look at the point and figure chart. It's still bullish. So the pattern is still there. It's not intact anymore. This symmetrical triangle, which is very, very large, it suggests a $148 price projection if it could break out to the upside. And our point and figure chart still has a bullish trend line and a bullish price projection of 106. So yes, I'm still bullish on crude, but short term, I'm selling some. So yesterday I talked about short term that we were coming into a rainbow convergence, just a cluster of moving averages coming together above the current price. And yellow, this white slash yellow bar represents today's price action. So that wasn't there yesterday, but on the call, I suggested possibly a type 2 convergence where prices come back to the cluster of moving averages. And that's what's happening today. So, 78 is the resistance. This is USO. This is the ETF because the futures crude oil doesn't update intraday. This could still come up to 78 and have this negative bearish potential. And what happens is if it can't break through, it promises a lower low, which means it would go below 76, most likely down to the 75 area. Who knows? It could be greater. So that's kind of where we're at. So it's giving you a chance to sell some oil, some of the ETF currently. Long term, still bullish. This is a tactical move. Abbvie, ABBV. So big day today. It was up, I don't know, I think it was about 5% intraday. This is a weekly chart, so this bar represents the whole week. And we got up to a 186. So my price projection is 195. So there's not a lot of room left. It doesn't mean it can't go higher than that. But at that point in time, I'm going to be less interested in this stock and I'll be going neutral sometime soon. It doesn't even have to get to 195. If it gets to 190 and the market looks uh, dicey or something, I will go to a neutral rating and really won't have much interest in this name anymore. The reason why I'm interested is because of this horizontal channel. So, really good day for Abbvie. I hope you own it. I sold probably a quarter of mine this morning when it was really high, up around 185. Again, whenever you see, up days, you want to sell a little bit. Uh, and it's starting to retrace a little bit of that gain. But I'm looking for higher prices still, but it's getting limited. So this was down on my list as far as things to buy. The time to buy it was down here when the reward to risk was really favorable. Okay, some other things that I'm nibbling at. Nat, a couple of REITs, National Retail Properties, which had a huge few days this week and last week, and now it's retracing some of that, which is normal. I see a little gap here, so it wouldn't surprise me to see maybe 45 on NNN, but I'd be nibbling on this. So that's something you can buy in this up market, which is down. I buy things when they're down, I sell when they're up. I don't chase. American Homes for Rent. We're right on our stop level. It's down again today. And so if it goes much lower, this is a weekly chart. So tomorrow, if it closes below 35, I'm out. I take my loss. I put my tail between my legs and I go home. I think we purchased this right around 36. I'll give you an exact number if we get stopped out. But on this down day, I'm actually buying a little bit more. So here we are. This is a daily chart. This is a weekly chart. Each bar represents a week. This is a daily chart. You can see it's down 2.25% today. And you can see we're getting a bearish rainbow convergence, just like we had in crude oil. And what did I do with crude oil when this happened? I bought some. What happened was it retraced back up to the convergence, which I'm selling today. Hopefully we get something similar with American Home for Rent. I don't know that that's going to happen, but that's the tactic here. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so you get these intraday actionable information. And Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. Have a great day.